Be your own boss and fulfill your dreams. Else, you will be hired by someone to fulfill their dreams. Hi friends, myself Anuradha Khanna. I'm from Delhi. Really great pleasure to connect with Soil Cup and with all of you, and would love to share a bit about myself. If I talk about my business is all about making money, looking great, and having fun. And I'm associated with international brand, cosmetic brand Oriflame. Yes, I started my own community. I'm the founder of Dream Catchers Club, where we are helping each other in fulfilling their dreams. Why did I choose this business? The reason is very simple and clear, because I know if I don't work for my dreams, I will be hired by someone to fulfill their dreams. That was the reason. And initially, just after my school, I was approached by someone and she was asking me to join this. But I was very afraid to start this business. But suddenly, when I know about some beautiful products, beautiful cosmetic brand, and I have many skin problems, so I decided just to jump into it and buy some good products for myself. That was the only reason to come into this business. Best thing which I really like about this opportunity and this beautiful concept is that we are not working for only ourselves. We are helping each and every person out there in fulfilling their dreams. If we help other in fulfilling their dreams, your dreams will automatically be fulfilled. If I talk about my struggles, because I start my business at the age of 20, so people don't take me very seriously. They just feel like it's just like any other company. You start and you will definitely quit someday. Because I was by profession I was an interior designer. I just opted for this and just want to just want to try this opportunity because everything seems so bright and colorful. First thing which really attracts me is that I'll get be featured in the magazine, okay, when I achieve something. So I just work for that and I work hard for that, and in just 9 months period I become a director. I achieved that title at the age of 20 and got my first cash award. And when I got my first cash award, I just call up my father and share my excitement with him. So I can feel that he was crying over the phone, and that was the best and cherished moment which I really cannot forget. If not network marketing or direct selling, then what could be else? This is, this is the first time I'm thinking about this, but definitely, if not this opportunity, then only sales and marketing, because I love to sell stuff and I love to market any of the products. But my passion is my own community. I'll definitely start some or the other my own brand or any of the things. Would love to share about my business. Yes, this business is for each and every person out there. Anyone can start and establish and stand up a complete empire for them. Yes, we have a catalog full of amazing products starting from 100 rupees to 10,000 rupees products, and we are dealing in skincare expertise. And yes, we have a complete royal skincare products and amazing health products, which is the need of an hour. Yes, we are working hard for your immune system by this wellness beauty products, and for your skin and for your hair we have very amazing products. By shopping out these products you can save a lot. By recommending these products you can get many amazing gifts and earn a lot. But exactly by establishing a complete empire with the proper guidance of our training program, you can get your empire stand, which the business you can transfer to your children's as well. My business, which I have, the empire which I have of around 13,000 people pan India, and few are outside India as well. My business and the nominee of my business is already mentioned, and that is my daughter. I have already planned my business to be forwarded to my daughter. How amazing. The beautiful part of this business is this only. It's all up to you. You can spare time 2 to 4 hours, 6 hours, 8 hours, whatever the way you want to do this business, you can do it. And you can work for your first income, you can work for as a secondary income as well. This could be your plan B or this could be your plan A. It's up to you. I have decided earlier, opted for plan B, but just seeing the circumstances when I got pregnant, I deliver my first child, my daughter, Khyati, and after that when I deliver my second child, Yash, my son, then I decided why don't let it be a serious business. And I really found it very amazing because till that time, by sitting at home for 5 years, I was earning in 6 figures just by sitting at home. No working hours, no meetings, nothing, but a regular income was there. Whenever I feel stressed, my team, my brand partners really help me a lot because I have a team of more than 13,000 people, which I already shared with you. We have musicians, we have yoga expert, we have teachers, we have students. So we regular do parties as well, some online, and definitely a quarter after we will do offline parties as well. So we have a set of combination of all aspirants and we really enjoy a lot. I never found any moment when there is no work, but yes, now the mode which I am into, and that is a autopilot mode. If I don't work for some days or a week or 15 days or a month, my business is not affected because my team is beautifully trained and my system is all set. We have a complete training program in which every leader, timing and dates are fixed. They come on, they teach people, the people come online and they are getting training. The system is all set and already put on the autopilot mode, and the system which we are setting is really benefiting our team as well because they don't need to work for that. They are just entered into the system and start taking benefits. My message for all of you is that these days only digital is the platform. Digital is the solution for each and every aspect or for each and every business. Digital is your iCard these days. So, be presentable, be visible. That's the only need of the hour. You have to change. You have to change with the times and be ready to face all the challenges. When the lockdown start, I also face, some kind of fear. But because I'm into this business where we have so many brains, so we all come together and convert our whole business from offline to online, and that is 200%. And nowadays we all are growing. And even last night I just recognized one of my leader who was a simple housewife, and now she's earning 50,000 rupees a month, where she don't have any other income at home. She is earning a decent amount. I have more than 10% of my network who is earning in 6 figures, 5 figures. They are teachers, they are from different backgrounds. So everything is possible, anything is possible if you decide. You are the only one responsible for all the situation. Thank you, each one of you. Thank you, Soilcup, for giving me this beautiful opportunity to share my life journey with all of you, and wish you all the best.